Ciao, everyone! Are your tummies rumbling? Let's make a lovely pizza together, nice and slow. Aprons on, hats ready? Andiamo! Let's begin. First we take the dough, soft and white, place it on the table, treat it right. Roll it gently, stretch it wide, roll it gently side to side. Now a little fun, show me what you know. Lift it up high and spin it slow.
Hop, lift it up high and spin it slow. Hop. Pizza, pizza, yummy pizza.
Dancing softly,
Baking pizza,
spread the sauce,
round and round.
sprinkle cheese.
Make a mound.
Pizza, pizza.
Oh la la.
Now choose the toppings one by one. Pepperoni slices, plop, plop, plop. Green peppers dancing, chop, chop, chop. Olives jumping, boing, boing, boing. Into the oven, push. Let it bake. Oven is warm.
Cheese is melting.
Smell that aroma.
Mmm,
Careful now.
just right.
Take it out. Slice it nicely.
Slice it true.
Blow it gently.
Foo, foo, foo.
Take a big bite.
Chum, chum, chum.
Tastes so good.
Yum, yum, yum.
Rub your belly.
Oh, oh, oh.
Chefs bow down.
Bon appetit.
Ah.